What happens when you hand over your entire budget to artificial intelligence? For 7 days, I let an AI bot control how I spent my money, and the results were shocking. Not just weird purchases, but emotional moments, real-life regrets, and a few insights that made me rethink everything I know about money. Let's rewind. I've always been cautious with money. Spreadsheets, apps, budgeting envelopes, you name it. But then, this new AI tool called AI Bot promised to handle my finances smarter than I ever could. So I said, let's test it. For 7 days, I gave up control. The rules were simple. No override, no questions asked. If the AI said, don't buy coffee, I didn't. If it said, invest $40 in crypto, I did it. What could go wrong, right? Day 1. Suspicion. The AI canceled my Uber and told me to walk 20 minutes to save $4.62. At first I laughed, but halfway through the walk in the rain, I started wondering, was the AI smarter or just cold-blooded? Day 2. The unexpected splurge. Out of nowhere, it told me to buy an expensive organic smoothie. I thought, what? But later, I realized it cut out multiple smaller costs to give me one intentional indulgence. It wasn't just budgeting, it was optimizing joy. Day 3. The emotional crash. I got denied a pizza. AI said, too many carbs, health affects wealth. That's when I realized it wasn't just controlling my spending, it was managing my habits. Day 4. Clash with friends. My friends asked me out. AI said, stay in. I lied and said I was busy. I was officially hiding from people because of a bot. Day 5. The surprise tip. It sent me a notification. Buy your mom a gift. Emotion has ROI. That's when I stopped questioning it. The AI knew generosity matters. Day 6. Crisis mode. Emergency. My car broke down. I panicked. But AI calmly replied, you have $150 in emergency funds. I didn't even remember saving that. On day 7. Reflection. I woke up expecting a final prompt, but there was none. Just, you're ready. And suddenly, I believed it. At first I thought this was about money, but it wasn't. The AI exposed my habits, excuses, and blind spots. It wasn't budgeting, it was therapy. I realized how much emotion drives our spending, and how little we prepare for the unexpected. If a machine could teach me that, what else could I learn? Here's today's money map action. Test yourself. Use a budgeting AI or app for 3 days. Don't cheat. Let it guide your choices, and take notes. You'll learn more about your habits than any spreadsheet can teach you. AI didn't make me richer in 7 days, but it made me wiser. It forced me to reflect. It reminded me that money isn't just numbers. its behavior. And now, I'm in control, thanks to a machine that doesn't feel. If this story opened your eyes, Money Map is just getting started.